Nissan just confirmed the new generation of its most popular crossover, and it's splitting all 6 trims between a familiar gas engine and a completely new hybrid system. If you've ever stared at a trim level chart with no idea which level actually earns your money instead of just padding the price, this breakdown is going to make that decision simple. Most automakers just pile on more screens and leather as the price climbs, but Nissan is swapping the entire engine partway through this lineup, and that's about to flip which trim is actually the smart buy. Number 6. S. The redesigned 2027 Rogue is opening with the S trim, and unlike everything above it, this one is sticking with a familiar gas-only setup. Under the hood, you're getting a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine producing 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive is going to be standard here, while all-wheel drive remains available as an option. Pricing is about to start around $32,000, keeping the entry point close to where the outgoing model left off. On the outside, the S is riding on 17-inch alloy wheels and is getting full LED headlights and taillights, so visibility at night isn't going to be an afterthought. Move toward the cabin and you'll find cloth upholstery, a large touchscreen running Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 4-speaker audio setup that's keeping things simple. One of the most stressful parts of daily driving is sitting in stop-and-go traffic or circling a packed parking lot where one distracted moment can turn into a fender bender. That's why Nissan is bundling its Safety Shield 360 suite right into the base price of the S, covering forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot warning with rear cross traffic alert, and rear parking sensors as standard equipment, so you're not paying extra for protection that should already be there. But sticking with the old gas engine is only half the story, because everything above the S is about to get a powertrain nobody saw coming from Nissan. Number 5. SV. This is where the lineup changes dramatically because the SV is becoming the entry point for Nissan's new e-Power hybrid system. Unlike a typical hybrid, e-Power isn't sending power from the gas engine straight to the wheels. Instead, the turbocharged 3-cylinder is working purely as a generator, charging the battery while dual electric motors handle the driving, one up front and one in the rear, giving you standard all-wheel drive. The result is a driving feel that's closer to an EV, with smoother power delivery and adjustable regenerative braking thrown in. If you've ever felt nervous about gas prices wrecking your monthly budget every time you fill up, this is going to be the trim that finally eases that worry, since the new hybrid setup is landing in similar fuel economy territory to the CR-V hybrid and RAV4 hybrid, both rated in the mid-30s to mid-40s combined. Pricing for this hybrid jump is about to land around $40,000. Beyond the powertrain, the SV is adding 18-inch wheels, keyless entry and remote start, a power liftgate, dual-zone climate control, a power adjustable driver's seat, and a 6-speaker stereo. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot intervention are also coming standard. Add the available premium package and you're getting roof rails, a panoramic sunroof, synthetic leather, a heated steering wheel, and rear sunshades, while the cold weather package throws in heated front seats. Given everything bundled with that new hybrid powertrain, the SV is shaping up as probably the smartest buy in this entire lineup. That hybrid powertrain and gear list make the SV tough to beat on substance, but it's still wearing a fairly plain face, and Nissan built an entire trim just to fix that. Number 4. Dark Armor. The Dark Armor is carrying over the SV's hybrid powertrain and most of its comfort features, but it's wrapping everything in a blacked-out aesthetic that's hard to ignore. You're looking at 19-inch black wheels, heated black-painted side mirrors, a black grille, and black roof rails, all paired with a panoramic sunroof. Expect pricing to land somewhere around $42,000 once this trim reaches dealers. Inside, synthetic leather upholstery is standard, along with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so cold mornings shouldn't be such a struggle. Nissan is also throwing in a 360-degree camera system, giving you a complete top-down view for tighter parking situations, which matters more given this Rogue's slightly larger footprint. This trim isn't adding extra mechanical capability over the SV, but it does look the part of something tougher. Looking the part and surviving a rutted trail are two different things, though, and that gap is exactly where the next trim steps in. Number 3. Rock Creek. Speaking of off-road focus, the Rock Creek is leaning hard into capability that the rest of the lineup doesn't even attempt. All-wheel drive comes standard here, paired with all-terrain tires, off-road tuned suspension, and hill descent control for steadier descents on loose terrain. If you've ever hesitated to take your SUV down a gravel road or up a snowy driveway because you weren't confident it could handle it, this is the trim built to erase that hesitation, especially with its tubular roof rack and dedicated off-road camera view tracking your tire placement against rocks, ruts, and anything else else hiding under the front bumper. Rounding things out are heated side mirrors, water-repellent synthetic leather upholstery, heated front seats, and the same 360-degree camera system found on the dark armor. Opt for the available Rock Creek Premium package, and you're adding a hands-free liftgate, a power-adjustable passenger seat, driver's seat memory settings, a heated steering wheel, LED ambient lighting, and a wireless charging pad. Pricing should sit close to $44,000, putting it right alongside the SV, despite the extra off-road hardware. All that off-road hardware makes the Rock Creek seriously capable, but it comes at the cost of some on-road polish, which is exactly where the next two trims pick up the slack. Number 2, SL. The SL is shifting focus toward comfort and tech, building on the SV with 19-inch wheels and a massive digital instrument panel replacing traditional gauges entirely. A power-adjustable passenger seat and leather upholstery are joining a heated steering wheel, while a larger touchscreen running Google-based software is taking over infotainment duties. Pricing is expected to start near $49,000. That Google-based system is bringing enhanced voice commands and built-in apps, so you're going to be asking the car for directions or music instead of fumbling through menus while driving. Standard navigation and wireless connectivity for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are rounding out the package, along with a wireless smartphone charging pad, so cables shouldn't be cluttering up your console anymore. Parking is also getting easier here, since the SL is adding front, rear, and side parking sensors on top of the now familiar 360-degree camera system. For buyers prioritizing daily comfort and cleaner tech over off-road hardware, the SL is making a strong case for itself before you even reach the range-topping trim. The SL covers nearly everything most drivers will ever need, but nearly everything isn't everything, and the Platinum is about to close that gap completely. Number 1, Platinum. Sitting at the very top, the Platinum is rounding out the new Rogue lineup with the most complete feature set Nissan offers on this SUV, priced at roughly $54,000 once options are factored in. You're getting a panoramic sunroof, upgraded leather with quilted stitching, driver's seat memory settings, and a 10-speaker Bose audio system that's noticeably richer than anything found lower in the lineup. Safety is getting a boost too, with a front center seat-mounted airbag adding extra protection during side impact collisions, while a remote rear seat release lever in the cargo area is making loading bikes or strollers more convenient. If you've ever dreaded long highway commutes because your hands and attention never get a break, the available tech package is going to change that conversation, since it's adding Pro Pilot Assist, bringing hands-free driving on select highways so you can finally relax your grip on long, repetitive stretches. That same package is also throwing in an upgraded 360-degree camera system and rain-sensing wipers. The optional Platinum Premium package is also tacking on a hands-free liftgate, heated rear seats, tri-zone automatic climate control, rear sunshades, and a head-up display keeping key information right in your line of sight. What this lineup really proves is that Nissan stopped treating trim levels as a simple ladder of more leather and bigger wheels. The S is holding the line as a no-nonsense, gas-powered entry point. The SV is quietly becoming the trim that makes the most financial sense once that hybrid system kicks in. And everything from the dark armor through the Platinum keeps stacking on toughness, comfort, and tech that simply weren't part of this SUV's vocabulary before. Two completely different powertrains living inside one nameplate isn't something most compact SUVs have attempted, and it raises one obvious question. Once rivals see what Nissan just did with the Rogue, how long before the rest of the segment is forced to follow? But despite the massive updates and upgrades, conquering the compact SUV segment won't be an easy task. This class is full of excellent models, including the Mazda CX-50, which you can check out in our next video. Elegant look, premium interior, and impressive optional Turbo 4 make it one of the most appealing compact SUVs you can buy today.